Hi, and welcome to a session of the Democratic Republic of Congo. By the end of this chapter, you will know the location of the Democratic Republic of Congo, the type of climate, vegetation, and wildlife found there, the type of agriculture, and the main industries of the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is the flag of this country. The Democratic Republic of Congo was earlier known as Zaire. It is the third largest country in Africa and its capital is Kinshasa. In this small map of Africa, the Democratic Republic of Congo is marked in orange and one can find Kinshasa located towards the west of this country. The Democratic Republic of Congo lies in the equatorial region. Now, what do I mean by the equatorial region? The equatorial region lies on both sides of the equator. For those of you who do not know what the equator is, it is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth. What is an equator? It is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth. The equatorial region experiences a completely different type of climate. Its climate is hot and wet, and this climate remains throughout the year. Moving on to the location and land, look at the map of the Democratic Republic of Congo. This country has 9 surrounding countries, that is, 9 neighboring countries. The names of these countries are: in the north, we can find the Central African Republic and Sudan. Towards the south, we'll find Zambia and Angola. Towards the east, you can find Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and Tanzania. One of the most important features of the Democratic Republic of Congo is the river Congo. This picture here shows the river Congo, and it is the second longest river in Africa. The Congo River is also known as the Zaire River. Can you name the longest river in Africa? Comment down below. The river Congo is also called the Highway of Central Africa. The Albert, Kivu, Edward, and Tanganyika are the major lakes of this country. This lake here is the Albert Lake. Climate. As the Democratic Republic of Congo is located near the equator, it has a hot and wet climate throughout the year. The mornings are quite pleasant, but the noon temperatures are high. The temperature during the day is between 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. In the afternoons, there is a heavy rainfall for a short period. Evenings and nights are much cooler. Vegetation. Most of the Democratic Republic of Congo is covered with rainforests. These forests are covered with tall trees and form a canopy which prevents sunlight from reaching the ground. Now, what is a canopy? A canopy is a dense growth of trees in rainforests that prevent sunlight from reaching the ground. There is a dense growth of creepers and shrubs, and a special feature of these forests, these rainforests, are that they are evergreen. What does evergreen mean? It means the trees remain green almost throughout the year. In some parts where the climate is not so hot and wet, the vegetation is different. Here, grasslands with short trees are found, and these grasslands are called savannas. I hope you can see a grassland here. This picture depicts a grassland, and this grassland is also called a savanna. Wildlife. The dense forests provide an excellent shelter to animals. Gorillas, chimpanzees, and baboons are found in these forests. Insects and reptiles are also found in large numbers. Reptiles include snakes, pythons, and crocodiles. Crocodiles and hippopotamuses are found in swamps and rivers. Okapi, a horse-like animal, is also found here. The Democratic Republic of Congo is also known as the natural zoo of the world. Why is it so? It is because there are so many animals in this country. Let me give you a star fact. The largest population of hippopotamuses was once found in the Democratic Republic of Congo, but now they're facing extinction due to poaching. Now, what do I mean by poaching? Poaching is the illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals. This here is a picture of an okapi. It has a horse-like body and the legs of a zebra. How cool is that? Agriculture. The main occupation of the people is farming and mining. Farmers practice shifting agriculture. Now, what is shifting agriculture? In this system, forest land is cleared and crops are grown for 2 to 3 years. The crops grown are cassava, maize, and rice. Cassava is the staple food of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Cassava is long and fleshy roots under the ground. These roots are also called tubers. They are taken out from the ground and soaked in water for many days. The skin is peeled off and dried, and then flour is made. These 4 points are very important and you must learn it for your exams. Cash crops such as palm oil, cocoa, coffee, rubber, etc. are grown for export. This is palm oil and their seeds. This is coffee. This is cocoa. And this here is rubber. These are the cash crops. Industry. The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in minerals like gold, diamonds, manganese, copper, cobalt, uranium, and coal. It is the largest producer of cobalt and industrial diamonds. These industries are not developed here, and so most of the minerals are exported. A large number of dams have been built to produce hydroelectricity. These are the examples of the minerals found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is gold, manganese, copper, cobalt, uranium, and finally coal. Life of the people. The Democratic Republic of Congo is thinly populated. Though a number of tribes live here, the Bantu is the largest tribe. The Bantu people are tall and have curly hair. These are the Bantus. Look at their hair. They are quite curly, aren't they? The Pygmies are a primitive tribe who live in the dense forests. They are short in height and their average height is less than 1.5 meters or 5 feet. The Pygmies are also known as the shortest tribe of the world. They gather food by hunting and they live a primitive lifestyle. They make huts out of branches and leaves. As the weather is hot and humid. The people do not wear much clothes. All the people here enjoy dancing and singing. Transport. Water transport is the most important transportation in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Congo River is the chief means of transportation. The Congo River is also known as the Zed River. Do you remember? Matadi is the main seaport of this country. Kinshasa, the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, is an important river port. You must know the difference between Matadi and Kinshasa. Matadi is just a seaport and Kinshasa is a river port. Know the difference or else you will lose marks in the exam. The Democratic Republic of Congo is developing fast. Let's move on to the recap. The Democratic Republic of Congo is located in the equatorial region. It has a hot and wet climate. Most of the parts are covered with rainforests. It has rich mineral sources. It is called the natural zoo of the world. The tribals are the major population groups, and the Congo River is the most important means of transportation. Thank you so much for watching today's session. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you have any doubts, any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. I will surely reply to all your doubts. And do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you and happy learning.